Welcome to Hoover Dam Lodge. To embark on your extraordinary escape, simply scan the QR code displayed now or consult the description below for seamless booking. Nestled in the awe-inspiring landscapes of Las Vegas, Nevada, the Hoover Dam Lodge is a sanctuary where comfort and adventure intertwine. This distinguished four-star haven is a stone's throw from the iconic Hoover Dam, allowing you to immerse yourselves in the wonder of this engineering marvel while luxuriating in the lodge's curated amenities. Imagine a retreat where your every need is anticipated and met with impeccable service. Upon arrival, at 4 p.m., you'll be welcomed to your well-appointed room, a private sanctuary designed for ultimate relaxation. Each space is conceived with attention to detail, promising a restful haven after your day of exploration. Elevate your experience with our exclusive offerings. Rejuvenate your senses at the Hoover Dam Lodge Spa, a tranquil oasis offering an array of treatments designed to pamper and revitalize. Surrender to the hands of expert therapists as you drift into a state of pure bliss with invigorating massages and revitalizing facials. For families, children aged 3 to 12 are welcome to stay free of charge, allowing you to create unforgettable memories together. Explore the surrounding areas with ease, knowing you have a comfortable and luxurious space to return to as you make the most of your vacation time. With checkout until 11 a.m., there is plenty of time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast or simply soak up the ambience of this remarkable location. Hoover Dam Lodge is not merely a place to stay, it is your gateway to an unforgettable experience. We invite you to begin your journey now. Remember to scan the QR code to reserve your stay and let us prepare for your arrival at Hoover Dam Lodge.